Okay, so I guess it depends on where you are, how many days until the first day of school. We have 13 days to back to school. It could be 14 because in certain areas that people are going back Tuesday or Wednesday. But it's great to have Taylor Kaye back on the show. You brought a whole bunch of people with you too. Do you want to get to the stuff on the table and then we'll get to our guests? What do you want to do?
Yeah, we can do that. We can talk about just the fun stuff for backpacks, and we can talk about clothing and backpacks because I brought the Special K's and friends.
Yeah, Special K's and friends.
Yes.
All right. So what do you got?
So the one thing, you know what, when you're doing back to school shopping, electronics for sure. Teachers are going to be taking it away. We know that this year they're talking about it more. Like it depends on your school. Right. So get your kids actual paper planners that we used to have.
Sure.
Right?
And what do they say? They're just like, what is this thing?
What is this paper planner?
What do we do with this?
And I thought this is fun. Like this one's like a guitar. My kids are into music, so get something that they love and have fun. Get them to write stuff down, and then they can transfer it to their electronic devices. So you're teaching your kids to be organized, right? So just have fun. Get them, either they can go online or go in store with you, but when they go in store, they like to pick extra stuff. So I like to do a little bit of online shopping.
How is your back to school shopping go?
We have a budget, and they get a gift card, and that's the amount that they get.
Oh, so they do it because they're a bit older.
They're a little bit older. They're tweens and teens. So I get like the essentials, like I'll get shoes and then undergarments, things like that. Yeah. But for any clothes or like extra things like this, then they get a gift card because then they have to budget, right? Yeah. Accordingly.
So like backpacks, lunch boxes, that type of thing.
And then what you're going to see with toddlers, you're going to see like the regular, like the Frozen and the Spider-Man that's back. And they don't have to be matchy match. I know I have a girlfriend's like, no, they have to have like the Frozen backpack and no. If your child wants a Spider-Man lunchbox with Frozen. Just label it.
The only advice I would say, last year we spent maybe a little bit more on the backpack, and it's lasted into this year. We're getting another year out of that backpack, which is so rare. And that's what you want to do. Or that backpack becomes your sport backpack, and then you can get. Now for pens, people are trying to be eco-conscious, right? I found this. This is from Bic. It's Bic Ecolutions, and from pens to pencils to markers. These are all made with 50%, well at least 50% recycled plastic. Even the packaging is recycled packaging from 100%. Recyclable material. So lots of fun. Do they work? Let's test it.
They do work.
Oh, they work.
Do your signature.
A pen that works.
So then I have your signature.
And then how long do you have these pens for? Because
exactly.
They always go missing. Where do our pens go? What world do these pens live in?
Exactly. And I was going to say, to keep your kids organized, again, I have paper organizers at home myself, so I'll write things down so that they can see it and it's visible, or grab yourself a whiteboard. So if it's a busy night, or if you have older kids, like I have the older tweens and teens, so I'll write down the activities for that day and then tell them what's for food.
Okay, the Special K's, your daughters and friends. Who did you bring? Let's show everybody off.
This is Jackie and Julia, my daughter.
Julia, you guys can wave. Hello.
Their friend Mac.
Hi, Mac.
And my nephew Hudson.
Hudson, what school do you go to, Hudson?
Bishop Tonus.
Bishop Tonus. Also winners with his quarterback. Way to go, Hudson. Okay, so what are they wearing?
They're wearing, I just wanted to show some fun fashion, and I grabbed this all at Walmart just on Centennial. I ran up there. Hello, thank you for the self-checkout. But
right before they closed last night.
Right before they closed. They did announce, like, we're closing in a half hour.
Tomorrow. You have to let me through.
I need some backpacks. No. So, with Jackie, what she's wearing is like jeggings, and then, do you want to stay there, Jackie? She's ready to model.
It, man.
Oh yeah, she's got her t-shirt. She's got some stretchy jeggings.
Learn from mom.
Okay, and then do you want to turn around and show your backpack? I love this Daisy backpack. Yeah. It's so much fun. And again, she does have a backpack from last year, but we're recycling that to dance.
Okay, we showed up. We can see the Crocs.
Yeah, she's rocking the Crocs.
Crocs are good.
Crocs are good. Exactly.
We're okay.
Then we also have Julia here, and Julia's got her puffer vest, and then she's got the great bright backpack. You're going to see a lot of bright colors this year. And then I love this puffer vest because it's got the hood, especially on a rainy day today. Right. And it comes with a bag, so you can scrunch it up and they can put it.
It doesn't matter if it's wrinkly. You just toss it in the bag and toss it out of there.
And you're going to see leggings. Leggings are big too. And can you show off the T-shirt too, Julia? Like you're going to see again these graphic T-shirts, and you'll see the Nashville, LA, New York. That's what you're going to see. Right. Okay. Why can't we have a Hamilton one too? Right.
Right. Exactly. Let's do it. Okay, we got a minute left. Who we got? We got Mac.
Then we got Mac. Mac's got a rib tee, and you're going to see, if you can turn around, Mac, this whole '90s checkered backpack is back in. Remember, for us, like the whole 90s.
Everything comes back around. That's
exactly. And then show off your. I don't think you're going to use that as a pencil case, Mac. A lot of kids are putting makeup in it. Right? Right? They're not doing the pencil case. And then for Hudson, again, the puffer vest or the puffer jacket, and he likes all black. So we had the yellow. And again, I picked this all up at Walmart, and I will say they've got this kids quality guarantee.
Right.
So if your kids outwear it before they outgrow it. Hold on to your receipt because you can exchange it. So if Jackie, outwears those jeggings,
you can take it back for a bigger size.
Or you can take the exact size, but you have to if they're going to outwear it before they outgrow it. So
that's all we got. Thanks, Special K's and friends. Thank you, Taylor Kaye.
Thank you.
We'll see you tomorrow on Morning Live. You guys can wave. Yeah, there you go. You're allowed to wave. Yeah, wave.